Hello and welcome. I'm Maria, speaking to global importers, traders, millers, manufacturers, and procurement leaders who depend on one essential commodity: wheat. In recent years, the global wheat market has undergone significant shifts. Production volumes have remained strong overall, yet the structure of trade, pricing behavior, freight patterns, and regulatory requirements have evolved in ways that directly impact your purchasing decisions and operational stability. Weather volatility in major producing regions, policy adjustments in exporting countries, geopolitical tensions affecting key shipping corridors, and tightening quality standards in importing markets have collectively reshaped how wheat moves from farm to factory. Our comprehensive Global Wheat Market Guide was developed precisely to help you navigate this environment with clarity and confidence. It brings together the most relevant production data from major exporters, including Russia, the European Union, Canada, the United States, Australia, and Ukraine, and explains how supply from these regions influences global availability, pricing benchmarks, and contractual negotiations. Beyond production figures, the guide explores the commercial realities of different wheat classes. Hard red wheat with high protein content remains essential for bread and high gluten flour production. Durum wheat continues to anchor the global pasta industry. Soft wheat varieties dominate biscuit and confectionery manufacturing. Understanding these distinctions is not simply technical knowledge. It directly influences blending strategies, milling efficiency, product consistency, and ultimately profitability. Equally important are regulatory considerations. Wheat imports are subject to phytosanitary certification, contaminant thresholds, moisture limits, protein specifications, fumigation standards, and documentation requirements that vary by destination country. A single compliance oversight can delay clearances, generate demurrage costs, or result in shipment rejection. The article outlines the documentation typically required for smooth customs processing and explains how quality verification and independent inspection help mitigate trade risk. For manufacturers, the guide addresses practical concerns, such as optimizing protein blends to control flour strength, managing exposure to price volatility, evaluating alternative origins during supply disruptions, and building procurement resilience in uncertain environments. For traders and sourcing managers, it highlights how global demand patterns in North Africa, the Middle East, and Southeast Asia continue to shape export flows and price formation. The wheat market is not simply about tonnage. It is about risk management, regulatory awareness, supply chain diversification, and long-term strategic planning. Whether your business operates in emerging markets where food security is paramount, or in mature economies where product consistency and compliance standards are rigorous, understanding the broader wheat landscape strengthens your negotiating position and operational stability. If your organization relies on wheat as a core input, this article was written for you. It is concise yet comprehensive, data-driven yet practical, and designed to support real commercial decision-making. I invite you to read the full guide and explore how global wheat production, trade flows, quality standards, and regulatory frameworks interact to shape today's market. Adalita exports standard wheat and soft red winter wheat to buyers and manufacturers worldwide. We offer flexible bulk shipment volumes starting from 25,000 MT, supported by reliable logistics and efficient export operations. For competitive pricing and to explore reliable, long-term wheat supply partnerships tailored to your market needs, please contact our sales team. Thank you for your time and attention.